Alright, so I'm getting started on the first part of the backyard remodel. I already moved out a lot of old pots and a big bucket of clay beads that I used to have for my chameleon cage that I switched out and just started using dirt instead. Anyway, I got all that moved out. I had a bunch of tools piled up there. I've moved those over here by this tree. I'm not going to put these up yet because I'm still using them just a little bit every day for the waterfall out front. I do have to order more, I have to go pick up more dirt for up front. Whenever I leveled the pool a couple weeks ago, I had to dig out this side of the pool. I dug out a whole ton of dirt, which I just tossed back there. It was really low back here, so basically I dug out here, which was really high, and I raised that backside up, and I had a lot left that I just kind of tossed back there. I've already pulled out almost all that dirt and moved up front for the front waterfall. So I'll be going to pick up, probably on Saturday if I get off work on time, I'll go pick up a load of dirt to finish the front, and then what's left I'll start bringing back here. This is probably going to take several loads of dirt, but I think it's like $30 for a truck full, so it's not that expensive. My guess is I probably need 2 or 3 loads, I think, just for the base. Whenever I get ready to do the waterfall, I'll need to go get more for sure. Anyway, I'm rambling, so I just gotta get this stuff moved, gotta get this wood moved. The pond is gonna be roughly 91 inches long, but I think 70 inches wide, if I remember right. It's only going to be 18 inches deep, and I'm building the ground up to just under the foundation line there. I have this giant tree here, and so I didn't really want to dig a whole lot deep, because I'd have to cut through a ton of roots, and I don't want to do that. I mean, this tree's super old, and it's not in the healthiest condition. That entire side of it has got a lot of dead stuff. I've cut a lot off of there that was dead, so I don't really want to harm the tree any more than I have to. So the plan is I'm only going to dig about 6 inches, I think is roughly 6 inches deep, and then I'll backfill around it to basically raise that up, and I think it's going to end up looking good in the end, because so there'll be a pond over, not a pond, a waterfall over here that will come down this way. It's not the best placement as far as the hammock stand, but I can't move that, so the waterfall is just going to have to kind of be over next to it, probably in between the house, and come out this way. We'll figure that out later. But the idea is it's going to be raised. The dirt I will have kind of sloping out this way, and I'm going to go get some more big rocks that I'll put in and have the dirt backfilled against, and then it will slope in between the rocks, in theory. Again, this is just in my head right now. I don't know this for sure, but we'll see how this progresses. I want to do like a white picket fence across here to keep the dogs out. We're also going to be getting a couple ducks. I know a smaller pond, probably not a good idea to put ducks in it, but I'm filtered for its size. Just if I can make it work the way I want it to. I kind of want to do maybe some kind of bog filter or something on it, so it should be okay. We'll see. I have this chair, the hammock can be here, so in theory, now you wouldn't be able to see the waterfall that well, because it'll be over here, but if you're laying in the hammock, you'd have a great view of the actual pond itself. And then from the deck, you would be looking straight at the waterfall. That's the idea anyway. But so we'll see. This is going to be my before video. It will take me a while to get this done. I'll have to do it in sections, and buying the rock and stuff I won't do all at one time. I've already bought almost $300 worth of rock for up front. Now I won't use all that rock up front, so some of it will be coming back here. A lot of it will be coming back here. But yeah, so buying the liner, which that was like $300.